In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge script error quickly and easily. If you've been seeing script errors, pages freezing, or websites not loading properly in Edge, this simple troubleshooting method can help get things working again. We're going to clear the browser cache and cookies first, and then we'll disable extensions to see if one of them is causing the issue. This is one of the fastest ways to fix common Microsoft Edge problems without needing any advanced tech skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time on your keyboard. This will bring up the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, you'll see different options for removing stored browser data. Make sure to select cookies and cached files, because these are the most common items that can cause script errors and website glitches. You can also choose the time range depending on how much data you want to remove. If you want a full reset for troubleshooting, select All Time. After that, click the Clear Now button and let Edge remove the cookies and cache. Once that finishes, restart Microsoft Edge and check to see if the script error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to check your extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with websites and cause script errors, especially if they are outdated, incompatible, or poorly configured. To do this, go to the Extensions page in Microsoft Edge. You can usually find it by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then going to Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. On the Extensions page, you'll see a list of all the add-ons currently installed in your browser. Now toggle off all extensions one by one, or disable them all at once if that option is available. This helps you test whether one of the extensions is creating the script error. After disabling the extensions, refresh the web page that was giving you trouble and see if the issue is fixed. If the script error is gone, then one of your extensions was likely the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to find out which one is responsible. That way, you can remove or replace only the extension that's causing the problem. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've cleared the browser cache and cookies, and you've disabled extensions to troubleshoot Microsoft Edge script errors. These two fixes solve a lot of common browser issues and can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.